Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, July the 21st, 2021. Here in this daily newspaper we have three regular Sudokus. Sudoku number one is a binary, number two is a medium Sudoku, and the third one is a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And in this newspaper there is also an additional with 6 extra Sudokus. A letter Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku, 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, then we have a binary and a tectonic one. I will do 3 of them, of the additional, and also this 3 regular Sudokus, total of 6 I will do. First one is a killer, no, a binary Sudoku. Binary Sudoku number 3127. Yes, 3127. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Binary puzzle 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Then we have between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Then. Let me see. Double O, here one, there one. Alright. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Yeah. Think. Between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So this box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Then between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Here again. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and the fifth O. So this box should be a 1. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, and there 1. Now we have 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Okay. Between two between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and a fifth O. That means those two boxes should be a 1. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Then let me think. Yeah. What's happening? Oh, no one. Well, between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second O, 1, third 1, the fourth 1, and the fifth 1. That means those two boxes should be an O. Okay. Between two O's comes an 1, double 1, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's in this row, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah. Think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. Interesting. Oh, and a 1. Come on. It's taking too long. Where's the opening? Do I need to compare? That's the question. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be on 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. 4. Okay. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between two 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finish in 9 minutes. All right. Great. Medium. I like this. No, not medium. Binary. I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. Below the link you will find the PDF file link. So you can download the PDF link if you want to solve it by yourself or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the second Sudoku, a medium Sudoku I will solve. So see you later. Bye bye for now.